Hi there. How are you? Welcome to this enlightening presentation where I present to you 3 extraordinary leaves. These leaves are rich in essential nutrients that hold tremendous potential for improving your overall health. So, stick around till the end of this video to acquaint yourself with these remarkable leaves. Moreover, I'll guide you on the ideal way to prepare and incorporate them into your daily routine. Understanding the significance of these leaves is crucial as it allows you to consume them in larger quantities and with increased regularity in your day-to-day life. These 3 leaves have been used since time immemorial to improve one's overall health, vitality, and well-being. Numerous studies have highlighted their effectiveness in boosting immunity as well as overall bodily functions like digestion and metabolism. They are also known for promoting cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure levels and preventing heart attacks due to plaque buildup inside arteries or veins. The first leaf that holds great importance, Swiss chard. Swiss chard has a vibrant dark green color that's often compared to the hue of deep space. With this color comes an abundance of essential nutrients that are vital for maintaining optimal health. Among these nutrients, potassium takes the spotlight. As individuals over 60 often grapple with high blood pressure, it becomes crucial to incorporate potassium-rich foods like Swiss chard into their diet for effective blood pressure regulation. Additionally, Swiss chard is a fantastic source of magnesium, which plays a pivotal role in promoting mental tranquility. Many individuals in this age group encounter challenges such as sleep disturbances and anxiety. While not universal, anxiety and insomnia are prevalent concerns. By including magnesium-rich foods like Swiss chard, the mind can find calmness, thereby alleviating pain and reducing anxiety if present. Swiss chard is a great source of essential vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to healthy aging. These vitamins include vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Vitamin A supports eye health and may help improve vision in individuals over 60. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and helps prevent colds, flu, COVID, and other diseases common among people over 60. Vitamin K plays an important role in blood clotting. An insufficient amount of vitamin K can result in abnormal blood clotting or bleeding problems such as hemorrhoids or excessive bleeding after surgery or childbirth, postpartum. The flavonoid syringic acid found in Swiss chard may help lower blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes mellitus, T2DM. Let me introduce you to the second extraordinary leaf, kale. Kale boasts an impressive array of nutrients that contribute significantly to our well-being. Among the notable vitamins it contains are vitamins C, A, and K, all of which are vital for maintaining good health. Vitamin A supports optimal eye health, vitamin C bolsters the immune system, and vitamin K aids in proper blood coagulation. Alongside these vitamins, kale also provides ample amounts of folate, also known as folic acid. Folate plays a crucial role in the production of red blood cells and contributes to maintaining a sharp memory. As many individuals encounter memory-related concerns, often addressed through B-complex vitamin prescriptions to mitigate cognitive issues commonly associated with aging, incorporating folate-rich foods like kale can be beneficial. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense leaves on the planet. It's particularly abundant in lutein, a vital nutrient for promoting eye health in older individuals. Individuals over 60 strive to prevent common eye problems and ailments that may necessitate corrective measures such as glasses, eye surgeries, or regular use of eye drops. Hence, it becomes essential to include foods that foster eye health like kale into your diet. Additionally, kale should be lauded for its high potassium content, crucial for regulating blood pressure. It also contains magnesium, which aids in calming the mind, and calcium, which promotes robust bone health and strength. Incorporating calcium-rich foods like kale into your diet proves beneficial for maintaining optimal bone health. Given its exceptional nutritional profile, kale is worthy of inclusion in your daily diet, ideally a few times per week. However, it is advisable to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your dietary habits. Seeking medical advice whenever modifications are made to your daily routine ensures personalized guidance and assistance in adapting to these lifestyle changes. The third incredible leaf specially catered to those over 60 years old is spinach. Spinach is a dark green leaf abundant in several vital nutrients crucial for human health. It is notably rich in vitamin K, promoting effective blood coagulation, and vitamin A, benefiting eye health. Spinach also boasts a significant folate content, essential for red blood cell formation and memory. Additionally, it offers an excellent supply of calcium, supporting optimal bone health, and a notable iron content, crucial for red blood cell production. Furthermore, spinach is high in potassium, aiding in blood pressure regulation, and magnesium, known for its calming properties, benefiting overall mental tranquility. A calm mind holds significant value for our overall well-being, so it's essential to nurture mental serenity. In addition to the nutrients we've already covered, spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, vital compounds for maintaining good eye health. These nutrients are particularly important for people over 60, when vision difficulties often arise. Now, it's important to note that individuals over 60 often encounter digestive issues and may not have robust digestion. As a suggestion, I recommend lightly cooking or steaming these leaves rather than consuming them raw. You can also incorporate them into soups or juices. This cooking method facilitates the absorption of important nutrients, as consuming these foods warm and fresh aids in nutrient assimilation. It is not solely about ingesting these nutrients, they must be effectively absorbed by your body. If you found this video and information helpful, we kindly request you to leave a like and assist us by sharing this video with others who could benefit from it. Additionally, if you wish to support our work, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to receive updates. This will help ensure that these essential pieces of information reach a wider audience. I would like to wish you excellent health and all the best. Take care, stay well, and may you be blessed. Until our next video, farewell.